Hey, so I'm actually now about to do a little bit of an unboxing video here with some scuba related items. Um, yeah, here it's not dive equipment, but it's scuba related. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film a little bit of an unboxing here with these items. They're quite special to me, and check it out. Feel free to give this video a like, and if you're not yet subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you did. And we'll keep in touch. So stay tuned. I think you're gonna like this video. It's a little Christmassy. It's but let me not give too many things away. Just stay for the video and enjoy. So I have this embroider that I've used in the past, right? The company is called Embroidery Plus, and they did a nice T-shirt for me with the logo for my scuba group, and I'm the only one that has the jersey with the logo, but I wanted to do something for the rest of the group so that we all have something. And here we are. What are these? Let's see, there's some boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes. Why 10? Well, there are 10 members to our group, right? And let's see what's in this box. Gonna open one. Hello. Oh. Yes. Everyone gets mugs. So, to explain what's going on here with these mugs, right? And this is Nikisha's mug. The mugs have the logo for our group, the OctoPush. And to probably see if I can give you a better look. I don't want to open all of them. I'll just open Nikisha's. She'll understand. So basically, to explain the logo, it's an emoji, and the emoji has a scuba regulator in the mouth. In addition to that, the emoji also has a scuba mask, and the scuba mask has the scuba flag on it here. So that's the whole point of it. So you can tell that it's scuba related. Then you notice that there are these tentacles going around it, and the tentacles, it's 10 tentacles, which lines up with the fact that we have 10 mugs, but also lines up with the fact that we have 10 names to the back here as well. So our group, the OctoPush, that's the name of the group. I'm not gonna tell you how we came up with the specifics behind the name, but this is the logo, and each of these tentacles represents a different one, different member of the group, a different diver. So if I were to, here we go. If I'm gonna just explain what's going on with the different tentacles, you'll notice that these three at the bottom, they are a little bit away from the others, and that's because these three represent the 3 senior divers that dived with us. The one in the middle would naturally be Ron, because Ron is the one that goes the deepest when he's underwater. He has the most experience, so that's what we would expect. The short one is probably going to be Adnan, and this one here is VJ. The rest, they're the rest of us who were part of the group or are part of the group. And yeah, this is the Christmas gift that everyone's getting. Well, everyone's wouldn't say Nikisha. This one is Nikisha, so it has her name. I'm gonna open one more. I'll have to open all because I'll need to label them to make sure people get the right one. And this is Adnan's. So yeah, there we go. Merry Christmas, guys. Yeah, so yeah, on the back here we have the members of our group on their individual coffee mugs. Oh, I can't wait to use mine. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, so yeah, that's my my little gift, a little unboxing. It's not scuba equipment, it's scuba related, but not quite scuba equipment, right? But while I have you here, just want to show off, I got these coasters on Etsy. It's like a pack that had about 6 different designs, different animals and so on, and them all the type of things that you'll be seeing under the water. Like we have a lionfish, a grouper, a manatee. I have one here with a lobster. I have another one that I think has an angelfish, a French angelfish, and there's one with a sea turtle as well. So yeah, you know, I have to go through these and label them properly to make sure everyone gets theirs, but just a little bit of an unboxing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna share this video before everyone gets their mugs though. I don't know, but you know, I guess since I'm here, I might as well open the others. I need to get a Sharpie and mark on the boxes which one belongs to whom. But yeah, hope you guys like your mugs.